Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. Today is the day you've been waiting for. We're going to be taking a look at our 1966 Chevy C20. For everybody who doesn't know, we just picked this up not too long ago. Haven't really done much with it because it's been winter, but I just want to give you guys an overview. It's a Chevy C20 pickup truck. It has an inline 6 and 4 on the floor. Also 31,000 original miles. I kind of bumped that up to 32 already. So for all you tall guys out there wondering, can I fit in an old truck? The answer is absolutely yes. I'm 6'4", and this is not uncomfortable at all. And I've been in a ton of uncomfortable vehicles in my day. So, as you can see, there's a lot of leg room here. Let me point out another thing that's really cool about this truck. That right there, guys, is the original plastic on the head, on the sun visor from the factory. Let's take a look under the hood. Hope you guys are going to stay with us on the build. It's going to be pretty exciting. We're going to do a lot to it. First thing we're going to do though is we're going to get the bed off. Found out earlier that it's not the original bed. Even though this truck doesn't have a lot of miles, apparently the bed had been replaced at some point in time. As you can see, I'll show you in a second here, that it was red in certain areas. Well, actually it was just a red bed in general before it was painted blue to match the cab. The blue is beautiful. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I really like it, but it's not what my dream was. My dream is green. I'm gonna keep the two-tone look. We're gonna go with the white roof, but the rest of it's gonna be a green, and I'm gonna get a logo painted on the side doors, and that's gonna be hand painted. Keep with the nostalgia of the classic look. Other than that, she's gonna stay pretty classy. I'm not gonna keep the molding, the trim and all that. We're gonna take that off. I'm not a big fan of that. Maybe lower it a little bit, but definitely some white walls. So stay tuned, guys. There's a lot coming on this build.